Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about whether you can refinance your student loans with SoFi. The short answer is yes, you can refinance both federal and private student loans through SoFi, combining them into a single new private loan with a single monthly payment. To qualify for refinancing with SoFi, you generally need to meet specific criteria. First, your total loan balance must be at least $5,000. The loans must have been used to fund education at a Title IV accredited undergraduate or graduate program, where you were enrolled at least half-time, and you must hold at least an associate degree or have graduated. You also need to demonstrate a strong financial profile. This includes having a stable income or formal job offer starting within the next 90 days, along with a solid credit history. If your personal credit score or income isn't quite high enough to qualify on your own, you have the option to apply with a credit-worthy cosigner. One of the main reasons borrowers choose SoFi for refinancing is that they do not charge any application, origination, or prepayment fees. They offer flexible repayment terms ranging from 5 to 20 years, with choices for both fixed and variable interest rates. However, there is an important warning to keep in mind, especially if you have federal student loans. When you refinance federal loans through a private lender like SoFi, you permanently forfeit all federal student loan benefits. This means you will lose access to federal income-driven repayment plans, federal deferment and forbearance options, and federal loan forgiveness programs like public service loan forgiveness. If you decide that refinancing aligns with your financial goals, the process starts online. You can check your potential rates and terms through a soft credit check on SoFi's website, which will not impact your credit score. If you like the rates you see, you can complete the full application by providing your employment details, income verification, and proof of graduation. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.